Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we're going to make some delicious, refreshing ocean water lemonade. Very simple and very easy. So, let's go. Alright guys, here's everything we're going to be using to make our delicious, refreshing ocean water lemonade. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut up that rolled lemon. Okay, you want to roll it to release all the juice. We got our syrups. Okay, we're doing things different. No sugar, just your syrups because they're sweet enough. Now, if you want to use extra sugar, you definitely can. But we have a tablespoon of pineapple syrup, a tablespoon of coconut syrup, a tablespoon of blue raspberry syrup. Okay, we're going for that how could I put it, that island vibe, okay, with the ocean, with the can't even get it out, but the pina colada with the coconut, the pineapple, okay, is going to give you that island vibe. Okay, guys, trust the process. Okay, if you make this, you are going to love it. But we got all of our syrups in there, and now we're going to muddle it. And you want to do this until all of the juice is out of your lemons. And how you're going to know that? They're going to be completely flat, looking just like that there. So of course we got our water, we got our ice, which we're going to go in with now and get that water in there, and then we're going to give this a shake. Now, if you feel that this isn't sweet enough for you and you want to go in with more of sweetener, whatever that may be, any one of the syrups, agave, honey, sugar, your choice, okay? Your choice. So we're going to give this a good shake just like that there. And look at that, guys. You got that oceany color. And when I say these are the bomb, guys, they are so good. That pineapple and coconut together definitely get island vibes. So we're going to add in a little bit more ice just like that there. And of course, guys, we are going to top it off with some shark gummies because, again, we're giving that oceany vibe right along with the ocean, and you know what's in the ocean. Sharks, okay? Gummy sharks, and these things are so good. They taste just like blue raspberry. And that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how to make delicious, refreshing ocean water lemonade, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing if you want to see more great content like this and more lemonade videos, of course. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.